what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be replacing this stopper. We can't find this one anymore, so we bought this one online. I'll leave a link in the description below for it. And basically comes with these 3 little gaskets, different sizes. This one's actually already fitted to it. It actually has a hair catch as well. That's what I like about this design. So if hair gets stuck in there, you can actually just pull it out and clean out the mess. So this is a protective cover that comes with it. It's actually a chrome kind of finish. And when you press on this, it releases it and allows water to go down through the drain. And then when you push back down on it, it locks it in place. So supposedly you just stick it right down in there, just like so, just like that. But that top gasket right there prevents water from coming in, that lining right there. But you can just drop it in just like that. And then whenever you turn the water on, water flows through it like a regular drain would. And when you want to stop the water from flowing, you just press this button right here and water will fill up and won't flow through. So I'll turn this on really quick. And as you can see there, water won't drain. And then when you want the water to drain, you just press that button right there, and that's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.